Thank you for taking time out to watch this short video that provides you with more answers to common questions sellers like yourself have regarding our rent-to-own, or what some call our lease-to-purchase option. Our investment company has been providing these types of purchase options since 1993, and we service all 50 states. We understand when first introduced to this purchase option, you may be a little skeptical. We believe in being transparent with everyone when it comes to doing business. So with that being said, we want to provide you with answers to these common questions we've been asked. So let's get started. So, if your investment company is willing to pay me up to fair market price for my property, how are you making any money? I know you don't work for free. We actually increase the purchase price that is negotiated with our tenant buyer up front and upon closing. Our fees are financed in their new loan amount. Our tenant buyers are willing to pay a little more because we also provide them with access to credit repair services, and they know the property will still be within the appraised value at time of closing. In addition, we provide the resources and education where the lender will treat this as a refinance loan, even though title has stayed in your name all the way up until closing. So once I agree to move forward, how long will it take before you find a tenant buyer for my property? And what happens if you don't find anyone? Am I obligated to continue with our contract, or can I cancel? Our contract clearly states that we have up to 60 business days to locate a tenant buyer for your property. If after that time, either party can cancel without any further obligation to either party. What happens if I get someone in my property and they stop paying or trash the place? Who is responsible? First of all, we don't just place anyone in your property. They go through a thorough background and credit check. We want to make sure they have the best ability to actually purchase your property within that time frame, because that's how we get paid too. Secondly, if we told you that we never had someone stop paying, we'd be lying. Unfortunately, life gets in the way and things happen that every one of us has experienced. In the unlikely event they're not able to pay, we will take legal action against them at our own expense and get them current or remove them from the property and place someone else in the property to fulfill our agreement with you. At no time have we ever had someone trash properties. We collect a down payment from them so they have skin in the game. If we were to play devil's advocate, and let's say that did happen, we have enough information on them to file criminal charges against them for destruction of personal property. What happens if the tenant buyer is unable to close within the time frame? Do I get stuck with my property, or what other options do I have at that point? Although we cannot put any guarantees on this purchase option closing in the perfect time frame, we can assure you our success rate is much higher than listing it with a realtor to generate a sale. If there are delays, we will keep you in the loop, not only for reasons why, but offer solutions on how we can overcome them. At the end of the day, you are still in charge and can have the final say as to how you would like to proceed based on the information we provide regarding the delay. What if my property needs repairs? Do I need to fix them before moving forward with your company? No, not at all. We take properties in as-is condition and make the repairs needed through our interested parties. What if I don't have a mortgage on my property? Do I still get a payment each month? And if so, how much? If you don't have a mortgage, we will figure out what a mortgage would be based on today's mortgage rates. And that is what you will receive, as well as enough to cover your yearly taxes and insurance on your property. In closing, we understand that this option is not for everyone. We are here to offer an alternative way to sell your property for top dollar without the additional cost of realtor fees or closing fees. Most sellers like yourself are reaching out to us because all of the traditional routes of selling have failed. So if you look at getting fair market price plus money saved in realtor's fees, closing cost, as well as received monthly mortgage payments, you cannot deny this option to be the best at generating you the most money. So don't just take our word for it. We took the liberty to share some videos and written testimonials from some past sellers and buyers who took advantage of this great alternative route in selling and buying their property. Just click on the link below and give us a call today so you too can take advantage of this wonderful opportunity in selling your property for top dollar without the hassles.